Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. This is Rakshit here. How you doing? Ellaru hegidira. So the plan is to install the mirrors. I actually forgot to show you what else came in the box. I'll just take a minute to show. I'm just super excited to change the look of 6R. So just give me a minute. I'll show you the products. Yeah. So the box has these many things. So this is a mic I'm trying out. So the Boya mic. So this has a wind filter. I'm not using it anyway. So this is the setup. So after the mirrors, right, you also get Bandidos nice stickers. So you have these stickers from Bandidos. You also get these mirrors. So I'm gonna do it in a while. So just stay on. Yeah, let's go to the bike now. Alright, so the most important toolbox of Rashid Iyengar, the biggest toolbox. I hope this is nice. So these are the mirrors. I'm super excited to fit in. So let's go to install it. So I think for installing I might need a couple of things, which is the Allen itself. So please don't mind, I'm going to keep this mirrors down. So I'm going to drop it here. I hope it's a straight fit. What Allen I have? So I have Allen. This is a screwdriver. So this is a 5-inch Allen. So I'm going to use this. So let me take out the number plates quickly. So do you guys need a front look? Let me know. Alright, so let me change. It's difficult, but I will see the view. So first thing is removing number plates. Check my bada. So the keys comes out. So the number plates are out now. So next is to remove the mirrors. So to remove mirrors, I might have to change it. Let me see what works. I think this should work. So this is a 4-inch Allen. So let me switch this to 4. So the plate, wow, without mirrors, sakata kanatala. So keep. Oh, that's a lot of width, man. See how wide the mirror looks. Crazy. I'm guessing it might take a lot of filtering thing, because I'll show you. If you see this mirror, it is gonna be same, not too much of a difference. But look at the width. That's the 10R mirror. This is the stock mirror. Okay, just give me some time. Let me install both. So this is how the mirrors would look like after the installation. Trust me, it's gonna look bomb. Let me install it. Man, I'll tell you, it is looking dope. Not sure how it's gonna look in the video, but I'll tell you, sakkalagide. It is looking so good. So I'm also planning to put the number plate, but I'm very sure that if I put the number plate, it's not gonna look so good. But number plate is important, right? Not a big follower of jumping rules and everything. So let me put this thing. So do let me know in the comment section below how the motorcycle is looking. I'm gonna definitely test it at high speeds and see how it's gonna look as well. So thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video, guys. Take care. Bye. And this is how it's gonna look from the rider's angle, right? So if you wanna look at it, so you can look that. And here is Gagan, who was helping me capturing video. So see you folks. Bye. And there's the KTM lying. Bye.